Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring the hardware and software are ready. Update the OS and face sensor firmware because improvements often reduce latency. Clean the front camera and IR sensors. A smudged lens delays detection. Once done, remove obstructive screen protectors and cases that shift sensor alignment. Make sure your battery is above 20% and low power modes are off so the phone allocates performance to biometric processing. These steps cut initial recognition pauses and set a reliable baseline for tuning. Now refine the recognition itself. Re-register your face with multiple angles and lighting. Include glasses, no glasses, and low light, so the model matches quickly. In settings, enable raise to wake or attention detection so the sensor is active when you approach, and shorten animation durations to show the unlocked screen faster. If other biometric fallbacks or high-security modes add steps, consider disabling them for speed while keeping acceptable security. These changes improve match confidence and shave seconds off unlock time. Finish by applying performance tweaks and a single troubleshooting step. Choose immediate or fast unlock modes if your device offers them. They prioritize speed over extra checks. Close or restrict heavy background apps so CPU cycles go to biometric processing. Once adjustments are active, test repeatability. If face unlock still lags, reset the biometric enrollment and clear the sensor or face service cache. This often fixes corrupted templates. If problems persist, recheck sensors or consult device support. Clearing data usually.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.